This is the fourth sheep block. The moment we've been waiting for. Look at the elevation. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Drive Eat Repeat. It's been raining heavily for the past 3 days. And we are pretty much tired sitting at home, and we've decided to venture out today, taking all the safety precautions, all that is necessary to be safe, to drive well. And today we are gonna get to Konda Pochamma Sagar Reservoir. I don't know if it's called exactly that, but you can Google Konda Pochamma Sagar. It's a beautiful place. We've been reading a lot about it in the news lately. And yes, we're gonna pick another friend and we will be heading there. So as of now, we are in a Tata Zest and we will be switching to an Alto and we'll be driving till Konda Pochamma. Join us on this beautiful drive. So guys, we are currently starting from Chandanagar. We've already come till Madinaguda. So our friend is in what is that area called?
After Usha Mullipudi, what's that area? Yeah, it's somewhere close to Usha Mullipudi.
Okay, we have a location. It's on the way to Usha Mullapudi. So that's we'll be taking a turn from Kukatpalli and we'll be heading towards Usha Mullapudi. So from there we'll be picking up our friend and then we'll let you know about the further directions. So as you can see, it's raining heavily, and I'm gonna talk a lot about aquaplaning and hydroplaning with my friends and cook them up. In Hindi we call pakana.
पका डाले बहुत पकाता है.
Pakana to hai aaj.
Okay, I think we're getting close.
Is that
Yeah,
Prabhat?
that's him. Yeah. Yeah, hello.
तो स्टार्ट हो गया.
हाँ, स्टार्ट हो गए हम लोग.
अच्छा, तुम लोग खा के आ रहे हैं कि क्या है प्लान?
खाना पीना खा लिया, बहुत बुक कर लोगे हम लोग, हो गया हमारा सब तो.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. घर पहुंचने वाला रहेगा ना. उषा मुल्लीपुड़ी जब पास होगा तो मेरे को बोल देना, फोन कर देना.
हाँ ठीक
Prabhat,
है.
what is that area called?
Which one? My area.
Yeah,
Gajul Ramaram.
Gajul Rama.
ओह गजल
Okay.
मलम. ओके ओके. हाँ ठीक है फिर. Alright.
So guys, yeah, that's Gajul Ramaram. That's where we'll be picking up our friend from. And we got to download offline maps. I don't know, VNash did that. Did you do that?
I did not, but I'm going to do it. So my
Okay.
internet it's pretty good. I think we should be able to download it anytime.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So,
And we're going to change cars.
yeah, and we're gonna shift cars. So yeah, and it's about 70 kilometers from Chandanagar, 68 or 70 kilometers up and down. It's gonna be 140 kilometers, and we have a pretty good navigator, G-Maps powered by VNash. So yeah, let's drive. Let's keep driving. Usha Mullapudi.
Mallipudi.
Usha Mullapudi, I think.
Mallipudi.
No, it's Mullapudi. I'm a Telugu guy, man. I know Mullapudi.
I'm
That's
pretty sure it's Mulli.
No, it's Mullapudi. Okay, so guys, we'll be taking a left from Usha Mullapudi, and yeah, that's the arch we'll be getting under, going under from, and that takes us to Gajul Ramaram, and from there we'll be finding our way to Konda Pochamma.
Mullapudi.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there you go.
This is Usha Mullapudi. I can read in Telugu.
So
Usha
Prabhat deceived me. He always used to say, tell me Mallipudi.
No, this is Mullapudi.
And I never use my English reading skills.
Uh-oh.
So guys, this is the Gajul Ramaram road from the Usha Mullapudi arch. That's a left from the Kukatpalli main road. And this road is gonna be a bit trafficy. It's just 2 lane, and yeah, will be a bit slow on these roads. But once we get past these roads, the road should be good.
We could.
Wow, that's a nice indicator, man. That's a nice turn signal. Did you see that?
He modified his person.
I guess, yeah.
Oh, I want them to.
So we've reached Gajul Ramaram, guys. We will be reaching our friend's home in about 5 minutes, and we'll be changing the car. We got to take the right, Avinash?
Yes, that's the next right.
Okay. I think we missed the left, or is it a left from ahead?
Oh no. Yeah, we missed it. We missed it,
Right?
Yeah, we need to take a U. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is the turn. So those are the apartments, guys. I'm pointing the camera towards the apartments now. That's where our friend stays. So we're gonna pick him up now, and we gotta get some sort of security clearance and permission to park our vehicle inside and switch to another one.
Oh yeah, I need to call him, right?
Yeah, let's call him.
Yeah, I need to call him.
He
We
said
should have
call me when you are near the arch.
Oh,
we completely forgot. Yeah.
no, that's okay. We'll stay on the left and wait for him to come and clear us.
Yeah.
And
We'll just wait for him here.
yeah.
Wow, he's not reachable.
Calling is out of network coverage area.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so we are getting in now. We got everything that is needed. We are getting into the apartment. So yeah, we'll go park it and we'll switch the car to Alto, and let's go in an Alto.
When am I going to get my Alto?
Very soon, very soon. We have to
Yeah, so this is the car that we will be going in now. So guys, we just picked up the Alto and we are now heading out of the apartment, and we'll just get some fuel filled up, air checked, and we'll be hitting the road to Kunda Pochama Reservoir. Time to fill some fuel. We need to get some air now filled in the tires. There was no air in the fuel bank. So yeah, we are all set. We'll fill air wherever we get it. And now our next turn will be at Dulapalli. Going via Dulapalli. This road is a little patchy in the beginning, but we will get a nice stretch ahead. So we'll be going towards Kompally on this road, Dulapalli to Kompally, and from Kompally, soon as we hit the Kompally road, we'll be taking a left from there towards Medchal. and we'll be going towards Kishtapur, Markuk, and then to the Markuk Reservoir, which is the Konda Pochama Reservoir. We are now about to get onto the Kumpalli main road. That's a national highway that we'll be getting onto. We'll be taking a left from ahead towards Medchal and then a right from Medchal towards Kishtapur. So yeah, let's go. And we'll be heading towards the Kishtapur village.
Continue for 10 kilometers.
Yeah. This road is pretty crazy, guys, and to drive from this road on a rainy day is a task. You can just drive here just for the road. So guys, we are in Majidpur or Mazidpur. Man, look at the road, look at the trees. They're like the roof over the road. Super cool.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Hyderabad Mancherial Highway, Hyderabad Ramagundam Road.
So I hope there will be a good amount of tourists today. It's a beautiful day.
And we got cops too.
Yeah. And this road
Take
actually
the next
joins
left
the...
onto Hyderabad Mancherial Highway, Hyderabad Ramagundam Road.
Okay. So guys, if you take a right, you'll actually get to Shamirpet, and we are taking a left towards the Mancherial Road. Okay, we'll be getting onto the main road.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have any
Continue on
tolls.
Hyderabad Mancherial Highway for 20 kilometers.
I think we should
Head
have
east on
taken
Medchal Ghatpur Shamil
this
Beat Road
one.
toward Hyderabad Mancherial
Yeah, take a
Highway,
free left.
Hyderabad Ramagundam Road, then turn left onto Hyderabad Mancherial Highway.
This goes to Mancherial.
Take the next left onto Hyderabad Mancherial Highway, Hyderabad Ramagundam Road.
We've already
Continue
taken
on
it.
Hyderabad Mancherial Highway for 20 kilometers.
So you gotta go 19 more kilometers and then
Markuk.
Markuk.
So yeah, while going back, we'll actually go via Shamirpet, and then we'll avoid the GD Metla road. We'll go via a better road. So yeah, I mean, there are multiple roads that you can use to get to this place. Oh, we have dabas on the road. Guys, if we would actually taken the Shamirpet road, if we would have come from Kugatpalli to Secunderabad and then Secunderabad via Shamirpet, if we would have come this way, I think we would have come much faster. But as there was no traffic, I think we covered it up pretty well.
Yeah.
We found a place where they were selling roasted corns by the roadside, and we got ourselves some. You know, these are hot, salty, lemony, a perfect match to a rainy day. These are awesome. So guys, we are taking the final turn. We actually went ahead. We missed this turn. Now we are taking the turn, and that's called Pamulaparthi. We are heading towards Pamulaparthi.
Continue on Pamalaparthi Road for 3 kilometers.
So we got to be going around 3 kilometers on this road as per Google Maps. We were concentrating on the corn and we missed our turn.
Oh no!
Oh man, this road is beautiful. Look at the farm on the right hand side. This is where all that corn came from. The road is beautiful. It's narrow but beautiful. Yeah, it definitely slows you down so that you can enjoy the beauty of this road. Look on the left hand side.
Wow.
So Avinash gets the
Left hand side.
Avinash,
You know me. My left.
yeah. So this is what it is, guys. Whenever the 2 times that we missed our road today, that's because Avinash misinterprets left and right. We are gonna get some good analysis on his left turns and right turns.
Left hemisphere light.
was
Yeah.
actually charmed by the beauty of this whole scenery.
Look
So that
at
happens.
yeah.
It puzzles everyone. He misses the left and right.
It's a कहते हैं
Now
song.
right. Now right. Avinash.
So he did it 2 times. I mean, it was
Right.
pointing at right and he guided us towards the left, and it was pointing towards the left, he guided us towards right.
2 kilometers right.
Okay. So is that right or right left?
This is the right.
Okay.
This is the correct right.
Right ही right है.
The road's
नीचे
beautiful,
eucalyptus
guys.
groups चला
The
गया
road is
मेरे लिए।
super beautiful. Super. Oh man.
Cornfields.
It's a beautiful day. It has the right amount of light. Oh wow! A roadblock by the sheep.
We have a shepherd.
We've always seen these kind of things on Tollywood, Bollywood movies, and now we are experiencing it. Look at this. This is so close to me. Give me the camera. Okay, there is another one coming ahead, guys. This is not the only one. The third herd, man.
Where's the car which was...
This is the 4th sheep block. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but we can see the reservoir. We can see the elevation of the reservoir.
Barely visible.
Yeah.
Keep going.
I'm glad that we came through, the village.
Oh, that's our dinner.
Our dinner just passed by, huh?
And I think we should be taking the next left after 200 meters.
Okay.
This is the left.
Okay. Okay, the rain completely stopped now. It's very lightly drizzling, and I can see an arch that indicates a pretty. Yeah, that indicates a main road. So that was the road that we're supposed to take, I believe.
If you have taken the wrong turn.
So guys, do get your offline maps downloaded. Don't rely on the network connectivity while you're traveling to areas like these. So get your offline maps, and I can tell this for sure because we've traveled. You can check out our other videos on the channel. Yeah, we'll be taking the left. So guys, check out other videos on our channel, and we never missed a turn because we had offline maps. But today, you know, we thought of testing it. We actually did not think of anything, and this is what happened. We got connected to maps whenever we had network connectivity, and see, now we got in touch with the actual road. So what we are going to do now is we'll download the offline maps to go back, and then we'll follow the offline maps. See, look at this road. This is pretty nice. We will be saving a lot of time when we use these maps properly. Hold the camera properly. Yeah. So guys, yeah, now you can see the elevation of the reservoir. People are driving over there. That's the place where we should be going to, you know. So yeah, offline maps will keep you right on track.
On one side we have the reservoir, on the other side we have this beautiful
Farm, village, and there are no regrets actually. We are very glad that we came through the villages. We were able to see that beauty as well. And if you look at our Medak video, you'll actually see that we wantedly went through the village roads, and now we are getting onto the reservoir, guys. This is it. The elevation. Yeah, the moment we've been waiting for. Look at the elevation, man. Oh God.
And that to the.
And there are a lot of tourists. We were wrong. People love to drive on a rainy day, man. This is beautiful. So guys, I really don't know whether this video is making any justice to the beauty that we are actually seeing here. We can hear the water, we can hear, you know, the really small tides, the waves. We can hear them. I mean, it's so peaceful, so beautiful. Though it's crowded today, you know, it's so nice. And the wind, the breeze, oh man, I wish you could be here. come here, then leave a comment and let us know. Share your experience with us. If you've already visited it, yeah, do share your experience. Let us know how was it. Have a nice day and keep driving, keep eating and keep repeating that. So yeah, stay safe, stay protected, drive, eat, repeat, chill out.